Friends, if you're looking forward to find your first dream job, then there is a big opportunity waiting for you all. Wipro has recently announced its Wipro Elite National Talent and Exam for 2022 batch. If you are eager to know more about the company and career opportunities in Wipro, then this video is for you. Watch this video till the end to know more about the company and get placed in Wipro. Let's begin. Happy learning and make a difference. Dear learners, if you are watching me for the very first time, introducing me, I am Rohit Runwal, founder of India's first social learning network, Mad Learning. Friends, after training thousands of students for campus placement and competitive exam, I know how much important is the very first job as a fresher in a career. So I will always suggest you to know your company first so that you find the right match between your personality and career aspirations with company structure and value system. So we have launched this first video in the series of Wipro NLTH exam so that you can know your company better and start confidently with preparation for Wipro NLTH exam. Friends, before we start, I would like to take this opportunity to introduce to you Mad Learning, India's first social learning network. Now, e-learning will never be a lonely experience because we aim to provide a social learning environment to all our learners. Friends, our website has all the awesome features like social groups where you can connect with members having common goals and interests and learn and grow together. Along with this activity feed, forum discussions on live topics, attend live classes and courses, connect with members, and private and group messaging. So just sign up on our website madlearning.in and experience the change. If you watch this video till the end, I have a great surprise for you. Let us begin by understanding very quickly what exactly is Wipro Elite National Talent and Exam for 2022 batch and syllabus for the same. The educational criteria decided for this exam is that you should have minimum 60% or above in your 10th standard and 12th standard. In your graduation, you should score minimum 65% or a CGPA equivalent to 65% or above, only applicable for full-time courses. Now, at the time of joining, the qualification is you should be either a BE or a BTech, ME or MTech. The best part is this exam this time is open for all the branches except for the students from fashion technology, textile engineering, agriculture and food technology are not eligible for this exam. Now, once you get placed in Wipro, the job profile that is offered to you is as a project engineer with a package of 3.5 lakh per annum. Surely a great opportunity for all the freshers out there. Now, some very important criteria are only one backlog is allowed at the time of assessment and you have to clear all arrears and backlogs at the time of selection process. Also, students who have participated in any of the Wipro selection process in the past 6 months are not eligible for this exam. Now, keep in mind the registration opens today on 23rd August 2021 and the online test date is between 21st September and 25th September. That means you have a very good enough time of about 1 month to prepare for this exam. Now, let us check the syllabus for Wipro NLTH exam. The online assessment test for Wipro NLTH exam comprises of 3 sections. The very first section is an aptitude test. Very important. All the candidates have to go through a MCQ based question in this section based on logical ability, quantitative ability and English verbal ability. The time duration for this section is 48 minutes. The next section is a written communication test in which all the students have to write an essay on the given topic. The time duration for this section is 20 minutes and the last section is again very important, a online programming test in which all the candidates have to write 2 programs on coding. Now, all the candidates can choose one of the programming languages for coding test from either Java, C, C++, or Python. Now, after clearing this assessment test, all the candidates have to go through a business discussion round. Now, not to worry, we are going to cover all these three sections in a coming video. Only thing you need to do is subscribe to our YouTube channel so that you can get updates for all important question and answer based on Wipro NTH exam. Friends, it's now time to know your company, Wipro Limited. The very first thing that comes in my mind whenever I think about any company is who is behind the company, what leadership drives the company. And the very best part is Wipro was founded by the very visionary Mr. Azim Premji, who is working right now as a non-executive director, independent director for the company. And the present chairman is his son, Mr. Rishat Premji, who is a very young and dynamic person, and the CEO and managing director is Mr. Thierry Delporte, who are working as executive directors for the company. Wipro Limited is listed in New York Stock Exchange, Bombay Stock Exchange and National Stock Exchange, having 2 lakh plus dedicated employees working across 17 plus locations across India, serving 6 plus continents. Now the company works not only in IT but cloud infrastructure, data analytics, artificial intelligence and blockchain. That means there are great opportunities for everyone who is looking to have a career in Wipro Limited. The man beyond billions, Mr. Azim Premji. Mr. Premji, at a very young age of 21, left his engineering course at Stanford University to come back after his demise of his father and run his family business of vegetable oils. Known as Caesar of Indian IT, Mr. Premji completely turned around Wipro, and now it is one of the largest IT outsourcing company in India, having a revenue of more than $8.5 billion. His commitment towards Azim Premji Foundation is really worth a total of $21 billion, making him one of the world's top philanthropists. We all have a great respect for Mr. Azim Premji for his immense contribution towards Indian IT. Wipro was incorporated in the year 1945. In the year 1982, they entered into IT product business. By the year 1990, they started R&D services and IT services. The year 2000 was a major milestone for the company when the company was listed in New York Stock Exchange and started their BPO business. In the year 2014, they launched Wipro Digital, and the very next year, they acquired key capabilities with Designit and Appirio. The next major milestone for the company was the year 2017, when they launched new brand identity for the company as Spirit of Wipro to understand their clients' expectations well and to showcase their commitment towards transformation. And from there was no looking back for Wipro. It is one of the largest IT companies in India and a renowned brand across the world. There are great career opportunities for everyone who is looking for having a career in Wipro. The top 4 job profiles that are available as a fresher student are a software engineer, a test engineer, a Java developer, and as a data scientist. The package offered by the company ranges from 3.5 lakh per annum to rupees 8.5 lakh per annum based on the job profile. There are big learning opportunities for every individual who wants to develop a career in Wipro. Wipro has their own Academy of Software Excellence named as WISE, in which they train individuals for latest technology and application software. If you have a desire to do your master's and post-graduation, then surely that is a great news for you all. Wipro also has a collaboration with VIT and BITS Pilani for master's course. Along with this, they have an internal learning and development team for sharing knowledge. Now it's time to know what will be the career ladder for you in Wipro Limited. The company has divided the technical hierarchy into 5 bands A, B, C, D, E. As a fresher, you will be recruited on the profile of project engineer in the team Rainbow, and after 1 year, you will be automatically promoted to the B band as a software engineer. For better transparency and promotion, the B band itself has been divided into three layers: B1, B2, and B3. From software engineer, after experience, you will be promoted to senior software engineer, then team leader. Next comes C band for manager, senior managers, and then as per experience, you will be promoted to project head, director, and you can also become CEO and president of the company based on your experience and knowledge. During my college days, Wipro was one among the many campuses that I cracked. I remember that year we had an open campus of more than 1,000 candidates in for Wipro Limited, and I was among the very few who got placed in Wipro that year. I was given an offer letter by the company to join as a project engineer in Team Rainbow. Later on, with my personal passion towards teaching, I started training students for campus placement and competitive exam. In this video series, I would surely like to share my experiences for campus placement and help you to get your first dream job. Now, if you feel a right match and connect with the company, it's right time now to get started for campus placement preparation and convert your dreams into reality. Friends, why wait? Join the revolution now and be part of India's first social learning network, Mad Learning. Just sign up on a website for free and experience the change of learning with a wonderful social community. Follow us on Facebook and Instagram to stay updated with all live classes and awesome events that we have planned for you very soon. The link to join Mad Learning is in the description below. Also, once you join our Mad Learning, you can attend live classes and expert sessions by industry experts, learn with members having common goals and interests, meet up with people from diverse fields and grow together, participate in knowledge-driven events and learn new skills, and along with this, free courses to develop strong foundation and upskill yourself. Friends, as I promised, I have a great offer for you. If you register today for madlearning.in, you will be getting 5 free courses that will help you to develop a strong foundation for campus placement and upskill yourself from there on. And also, if you decide to go for any of our premium courses, you will be getting 50% discount on all of our courses. Friends, I hope you like this first video in the series of Wipro NTH exam. Just comment in the description below what more you expect from Mad Learning and what kind of videos you want us in this coming videos. Friends, subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay motivated, happy learning, and make a difference.